Is 2, 3 a point that the lines x plus 2y equal 8, 4x minus y equals 5, negative x minus negative y equals negative 5, 3x minus 2y equals 0, and x plus 4y equals 14 have in common? So what does it mean for these lines to all have a point in common? We can sort of picture, we've got 5 different lines here, and if they had a point in common, then all of these lines would pass through the same point. But how do we check that? If this point satisfies each equation. So let's take a look at each of them. X plus 2y equals 8. I know there was a minus x minus y. I think it was negative 5. Next one was equal to 0. Last one was 14. I think it was negative x plus 4y. Let's go double check. X plus 4y. And then 3x minus 2y. And then what was the second one? 4x minus y equals 5. Okay, so what would it mean for 2, 3 to be on these lines? Well, if I come along here and replace all these x's with 2, and replace all the y's here with 3, does each of these equations make sense? Okay, well, let's work them out. So we need 8 for the first one. Well, 2 plus 2 times 3 is 2 plus 6. That's 8, yeah. 4 times 2 is 8 minus 3. That's 5, yep. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6, yeah, that's 0. And 4 times 3 is 12. So 2 plus 12 is absolutely 14. So since all 5 equations were satisfied, yes, 2, 3 is on all these lines. It is a point in common with all of them.